Hello guys, you might have this situation where the iron is still perfectly good, but you have a damaged iron cord. It's not difficult for this to get damaged, from constant twisting. So I'll show you how to replace it. Disclaimer, if you have no abilities, to do any electrical work, do not do that. It's still electricity, so you have to know what you're doing. So I don't take responsibility for anyone following this tutorial. I will still show you how to do that for those who are qualified. So oftentimes this bolt in the back will have like a divider in it, so it's not possible to unscrew it with regular screwdriver. For that you will need a modified screwdriver bit with a groove in it. You can just get a normal bit, and this I did before with a triangular file, or you can use like a hacksaw, also will work. You just use hacksaw like that a few times, and you'll get that groove done. No big deal. Once you have that, we can unscrew this bolt from the back of the iron. Yeah, I could have a proper handle for this bit, that's true, but I'll make with what I have. Somehow I didn't find it. Okay, once this is out, we need to pry this one up. And if it's good not to completely remove it, because then these buttons will just fly away, and it's a little bit painful to then put them back in. But with that, you can already have this separated. And now next thing is to loosen these bolts here to remove the cable. You'll see they will pop out. Oh, this one doesn't want to. Okay, it's out. All right, they're out. And there is like an extra step here. There is two other bolts to unscrew. I will unscrew one completely, but I will leave the other one in, just to loosen the other one, because if you unscrew both all the way, then it's also not so convenient to put two of them back together. It's easier just to deal with one, so I leave the other one in place. And now I can pull the cord out. Alright, this one's out, so I'll take the other one, put it in there. Channel it through here. Best to first put the cables back. So, most important, put the yellow where the yellow is, blue where the blue is, and there will be a dark color. This is brown, and it was browned out cable, but could be red also. Yellow is most important to be put in with the yellow, otherwise, you know, it's really dangerous to swap this. Don't swap it ever. So I start with the yellow one. It's a different screwdriver, smaller one. Now the blue one. Make sure it sits there well. The brown one. I think I'll redo the blue. Yeah, screw them well, and you know, just give it a little bit of a pull to see that they sit. Now when you put it back, there is this place where the like connection will go, where the bolt will go, so do not obscure it. It might damage some cables if they are in here, but first we still need to put the cable under this part which holds it in place. Alright, so this one here. Okay, so you see that it would be a little bit painful to deal with two screws. It's much easier to just have one still in place. And yeah, so this cover you can remove. It is a little bit of you know, pain to deal with it, but when you remove it, you will also have these buttons flying away, so later you have to put them back. So I prefer to do it like so. This cable we now can adjust how long it is. I'll pull it out a little bit. Maybe like that. So yeah, I like it like this. So I'll put this back in there. And now, yeah, leave this on the side so it doesn't obscure this place, this socket. And now we are ready to put the cover back in place. It should just snap in place, see? And the last step is put this bolt back in with my custom made screwdriver. And tighten. All right, good to go. Let's now see if this works. I'll put it on top of the wrench so it doesn't burn my table. I think it will work just fine. Yeah, so you can see the light is on. It is getting warm. it's working. So that's how we do it. Thank you.